to Tool Day Tuesday, where I share with you guys unique or useful tools that I myself use that I think you might be interested in. I was in Harbor Freight earlier today and I seen this on the shelf. I didn't even realize that they sold this, and apparently it's a relatively new item at Harbor Freight. So I purchased one, I've brought it home, and I want to share it with you guys because it is a beast. This is a very heavy duty right-angled drill. For a quick comparison, I'm going to stick my everyday hitter right behind this drill and you can see how much larger it really is. This is the drill that you would need if you're going to drill some really large holes. The secret to these right-angled drills is actually inside the gearbox. These are geared and they're geared for torque. Your regular everyday drill typically spins around 2,000 or more RPMs. These guys only spin at 1,000 RPMs. These are the type of drills that when they snag on something, they spin around so hard they could possibly hurt you if you don't have a really good hold on it. Luckily, the distance from the bit to the handle is long enough to give you some leverage, and included is a very beefy handle that is almost 12 inches long. It does screw onto the right side or the left side. There is a beefy handle on top, and I'm going to say it's really well designed. It feels really good in your hand when you're hanging onto it. That's just going to help you control this beast a little bit better. The drill does have a standard chuck on it. It will accept up to a 1/2 inch shank, and it does come with a chuck key. Today, you typically don't see this style chuck used unless it is on a piece of equipment like this, where you really don't want to have your hands anywhere near this guy. Again, these are incredibly torquey machines and you have to treat them with some respect. The bottom of the drill bit does include a place to store that chuck key. It snaps in pretty firmly so you're not going to lose it. And on the belly of the drill is a light that shines towards the bit area so that you can see where you're drilling. This is handy when you're drilling in between studs and the light isn't that great. The drill does accept the standard 20-volt Hercules line of batteries. It is recommended that you use the 5 amp hour or bigger. With a drill of this size, I personally would rather use an 8 or even the bigger 12 amp hour battery that Hercules offers right now. But the question in everybody's mind is, how well does the tool work? Well, we're going to find out. So what are my final thoughts? Well, I'm really impressed with how much torque this really has. And I can't stress enough, you need to make sure you have a really good grip on this tool because it will get away from you if your bit were to snag. At the time of this video, this particular drill is shy of $160, and that is a really good deal for this style of drill. Now keep in mind, Harbor Freight also has different coupons and sales from time to time, so keep an eye out if this is a drill you're going to need. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take a look at some of my other videos, and at the very least, you might be entertained.